Hello everyone, I'm Nisha Samant and I welcome you all in 4th Elets Cybersecurity Summit, and we have with us Aditya Sawant, who's the CEO of Aquila. Welcome sir.
Thank you so much.
Yes sir. So sir, let's begin with the first question. I would just want to know about your organizations. Tell us about your organization, sir.
Sure. So we are a 3.5-year-old entity, primitively built on the ideology of cybersecurity help for an organization. We help in improving cybersecurity posture for an organization. We build across the ecosystem, service roughly around 300 plus odd customers. Important factor is to help security posture to build on that, and we have been categorically working on that area wherein we have helped organizations in improving user-based security posture, infrastructure-based security posture, brand-based, communication-based, compliance-based. So that's the ideology on what Aquila has been built in. We've been the fastest growing cybersecurity startup, a made in India product, now expanded across Middle East and the Southeast Asian market. Shortly put together, yes, we are helping security leaders to get ahead of cyber threats.
Okay sir. And sir, what is your key takeaways from this conference today?
Sure. Quite a lot of CISOs and CIOs who I've met across in the conference. One of the very important factors which I've realized is there's a lot of potential in the market to help in getting that cybersecurity posture right. I keep on harping on this word is because there are many solutions in the market which do not actually solve the problems. They are operating in silos. They are operating in in their own individual spaces. None of these are basically cumulatively given a visibility or a dashboard or a site to the security teams as well as the management teams to understand what is the risk posture they carry. With the exposure of Aquila and with what we are trying to build in, we surely can help in getting that visibility in right. Security leaders do want a lot of controlled based assessment, a lot of areas where they can help and get that visibility throughout. And one major of the areas where they want to understand is how can Aquila or how can any other security provider can help them in getting a much better site and a much proactive site across on the problems or on the gaps across in the ecosystem. So that's where I think a lot of the customers who we met, a lot of these potential customers who we met have been having the same ecosystem which they're chanting out, saying that tell us more, tell us beforehand and tell us how we can do it better.
Okay, sorry. So we want to know your feedback and your overall experience with Elets Technomedia. Today you had it here, and how you felt and what are the experiences you have gained from here.
Sure. So this is the first year we have been partnered with Elets. Actually, it's a very different experience. We've been partnered across on multiple forums. We have been there present across doing a lot of talk about Aquila or talk about what we do across or what we preach across. This is the very first time I'm meeting up with the Elets folks as well as the overall customer portfolio of what you guys have to offer. And I think it's good. It's very nice when we engage across with a different set of customers, different set of perspectives. Because we do not want to meet up the same set of, as an OEM, we want to always address and go across mass. We don't want to engage with the same set of audience because traditionally if we have more people heard our voice, it will be much better. And I think with Elets, that's been successfully delivered to us as an OEM. We've been able to address a lot of larger new faces across in the audience, and I think that's a good start for our engagement. We look forward for further more engagements across where we are able to propagate a lot of strong positioning of Aquila on how we are able to solve issues, and happy to partner across with Elets across in the future.
Thank you so much for being here, sir, and your participation was a great pleasure for us.
Thank you so
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much.